Hello everyone, it's Alissa from Inside the Photo Box and Photo Box Designs. I'm here, I just want to give you a very quick tutorial on how to bring in a photo into Photoshop. A lot of our templates are PNG files, not PSD files. A PSD file is a file that when you click on it, it will open up into Photoshop and it will have layers. This particular template, this very popular Santa template that I sell, is a PNG file. I don't know if people call it ping files, but it's a .png. It is one layer. That's all you're going to have when you click it on and click it off. And you'll see that there are squares that are already cut out. They're transparent squares so that when you import your own photos into this layer, you're going to put it below the layer. So let me show you two ways that you can open up this layer in Photoshop after you've downloaded it. So let me start off by going here. Here's my layer. You've bought the template, you download it, you click on it. This is what's going to happen. It will not open up in Photoshop. Well, it will open up in your viewer, in your computer viewer. It is not in Photoshop. It is in just a viewing mode. You can see that it doesn't even look like there's anything that's transparent. So I often get emails saying, it didn't open up. What am I doing wrong? You're not doing anything wrong. You just need to manually open up a layer like this in Photoshop on your own. So what you need to do is, once you've downloaded the file and it looks like this, you can either do one of two things. You can take your file, you can drag it and find your Photoshop icon at the bottom of your computer and make sure that it's highlighted in there and drag it and drop it in. And then voila, it is now opened up in Photoshop for you. That is one method of opening up a PNG file. Another method is this. I'm going to right click on the file, open with Adobe Photoshop. And now I've opened it up in Photoshop and now I can start working with it. The last method is starting from Photoshop itself. I can go to File, Open. Now you should look through your computer till you find the folder that you have stored your file in. So it's in this little Santa file. And I'm going to click on it, press Open, and now I have opened up my PNG file in Photoshop and I can start working with it. And don't forget, folks, when you bring photos into this folder, it is now in a Photoshop folder. It is in a Photoshop canvas. You need to bring your photos that you're working with under the template. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.